As soon as it broke beyond what I needed and it pulled, I was like, yeah, shed, boom, 200 contracts, still had 150 left. It kept pulling down, shed, 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 right? So think about it. It was up here, it starts to knife drop. If you get in on this late even and you put in your stop, look at it, right?
I mean, even if you played under VWAP, once it went under VWAP, right?
Correct. Yeah, you still would have made more than anybody else through the whole day, right?
If you play the double bottom and saw it pull through that, you would have made stupid money.
That's correct. And now,
Really?
and now let's look at the flip side, right? Coach is always talking about support, buy calls as support. So if you were here, master scalpers, and you're like, well, I think it's going to bounce here, and you bought calls and you had stops right here, right? Because don't we put our stops just below? You would have stopped out and then you'd be in a put, wouldn't you? Because isn't something below support a put?
Yes, sir.
And then you would have got paid. You're like, oh, damn it, I got burned. And then if you sat there on your ass and went, well, I'm not doing that. Look at this. Well, this one's pretty easy. Everybody tell me what this is.
Pregnant.
Engulfing candle.
There you go. That's an engulfing candle. See it?
Okay.
What does an engulfing candle represent?
Change of direction.
Bullish reversal.
Reversal.
In this case, a bullish reversal.
Yep, reversal. See it? That is when one candle is larger than the previous. Typically will signify a change of direction. In this case, see where the wick was? Here to here. It's tall,
And then the
right?
super trend jumped in. The super trend jumped in, makes it even more convincing.
That's correct. So you had all sorts of goodness. So great question, but that's just a flat out engulfing candle, right? That's one of the easiest ones to read in here. And you know, it's crazy. If you guys look at this, do you see where it stopped? That was right here and right here. See it?
Textbook.
Yep. So if we're always like, well, where are these areas? I mean, it did it here too. You just see this spot in here. It did it here for a second. See it? Yep. It was just flat out triple top, right? And then hammer. And now look at where we're at. And look at what we just drew out and look at where it bounced. See it? Previous day low is now support. If it breaks previous day low, what should you do? There you go. Do you see how this is starting? Does everybody start to get this? How this is unfolding?